If one of your family members is bad at money, overspends a lot, the best way out is to assist them, but don't enable them. That means help them when they require the funds, but don't give them the right to spend the funds. Also, manage future emergencies, because the person who is bad at money does not know how to handle and save for future emergencies. Create a budget, avoid unnecessary stress by keeping reserve funds. And those are some of the ways you can actually get away from facing the loans, facing the debts. Another important thing is, don't blame the person for spending, because if that happens, that would only averse the person from the close family members. And rather than doing that, it's a good idea to understand their feelings, to develop compassion about them, and then take the funds in charge from them to yourselves and handle the funds smoothly, so that you save for future emergencies and give them a limited amount that could be spent.